Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 so quiet. So what we need to do is basically go to mixer in the sonar and make sure this is at 100%. Then we'll move right here. So select the Arctis Nova 5 right here by selecting from these and basically make sure it is at 100%. So select and make sure everything is at 100%. Now, what you'll need to do is right here, you'll see the small percentage. So enter right here 100% too. And for the presets, select the default ones. So let's go to default ones and select the flat. As you can see, select the flat for every the chat, media, and etc. Select the flat. After that, what we'll need to do is go to the volume. So as you can see, this is my volume little icon. Just right click it and open volume mixer. And right here from the volume mixer, what you'll see is the output device. So make sure it is the SteelSeries gaming device. And for the input device, it doesn't matter because it's microphone. But for the system sounds, make sure it is 100% and the output device is default. For the apps, make sure it is at 100%, and that should fix your problem, your Arctis Nova 5 being quiet. So that should fix your issues. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.